Yes, Milind.
So,
गुड इवनिंग
hi.
मिलिंद। तो आज मैं ना आपकी एक्सपीरियंस जानना चाहती हूँ। जब यंग बच्चे इसको फॉलो करते हैं ना, तो इट कैन बी मोटिवेशनल फॉर मेनी पीपल, क्योंकि सब हम परेशान हैं, कहीं ना कुछ हम चाहते हैं। अगर हम वर्ड्स
Yeah.
हमारी लाइफ को चेंज कर दें तो इट विल बी वेरी गुड। कहाँ पढ़ रहे हो तुम? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग?
Uh, Abhi, like currently I'm doing my pilot studies,
हम्म। ओके।
and I also manage my business. I work in a company through which I was supposed to get a certain amount of refund, which I was not getting, and it has been like 3 to 4 months.
हम्म।
And the amount was a bit huge, so I was like really curious to get the refund fast, but it was just not happening. So I told my
हम्म।
mom, I really need my money, which is supposed to be a refund. It's mine only, and the company, it's like it's under process. They're not saying no, but
हम्म।
it's taking more. The time taken is more. So then my mom was like, okay, so I know this switch word which you can use, and if you're serious about it, then only I'll give it to you. If you follow.
Yes,
And I
yes.
was like, all right, I'll follow. Of course, if it is benefiting me, why not? So
हम्म।
I started, like rush
हम्म।
count. I started saying rush count 108 times. And my mother had some
हम्म।
like mala through which I was doing it.
हम्म।
And I
हम्म।
also didn't believe it because the process was taking 3 to 4 months. And I literally got my refund today itself. And
हम्म।
after doing the spell of rush count, like after doing it, I got my refund approximately to like in approximately 4 to 5 days. I got that, which was been pending for 4 to 5 months. So it was truly magical for me because the approach was from the company itself. I didn't do anything. I just was saying rush count multiple times in a day, and I
हम्म।
got my money. And today is the most happy day of my life because I mean, of course, the amount was mine. It was huge, and when it is stuck somewhere, I didn't want it that to be. So yeah.
हम्म।
And I
तो
mean, yes,
कितने दिन चैंट किया? कितने दिन, हाउ मेनी डेज यू
so
चैंटेड?
I did not chant for many days. I chanted only for 4 to 5 days. That's all, and only
हाँ।
very few times.
ओके,
So
ग्रेट।
this one really worked for me. And my favorite switch word is Soma, which I use during sleeping time. I was one day having sleeping issues, like I couldn't sleep, and my mom was like, "Do this, chant
हम्म।
Soma," and I didn't know. 5 minutes, I was sleeping.
हम्म। हम्म।
So
हम्म।
it like there are two switch words which I just tried recently, and they really worked out for me well.
So mummy is of great help to you, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very, very. I mean, I am like literally thinking her as a magician now. Like anything I am, having troubles with, I'm going up to her. Do you know any switch word for this thing? You know? And if she does, I'm like, okay, I even need a switch word to get slim. Do you have any for that? Or anything. So I'm in great hands. Like I'm very happy with it. Thank you to you as well for, of course, guiding my mom into something which is at the end of the day benefiting myself also and many other people, of course. I understand.
So how is your mother benefiting by it? Because previously जब वो पहले स्विच वर्ड करने से पहले और अभी उनको क्या फर्क दिखता है? खुद में तुम लोगों को क्या फर्क दिखता है?
I feel she's positive. Like, firstly, one thing is that you lose the willingness for certain stuff, and after doing the situation, she's like, okay, this will for sure happen. So there's this positivity in the environment as well. Like her
हम्म।
environment aura is positive, and eventually, then the things are also happening.
हम्म।
There's this healing word and switch words she did on my dog. The dog was healing well. It really shocked me. There are like few things which are happening in our household, which I really wanted to tell you also, to be honest, because it happened with me. Otherwise, why would I say anything?
नहीं
So
नहीं, I can understand that when you yourself you are here to give
yes,
your
yes,
feedback. It says a lot, yes.
yes.
बिकॉज अच्छा है
Previously,
ना, जब रिव्यू हम शेयर करते हैं ना तो लोग मोटिवेट होते हैं, वरना दे हैव डाउट कि काम करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं, क्या है,
yes,
बट देन
yes, it
इट्स
works. It works. Yes,
यस,
yeah.
ग्रेट। So thank you so much, Preeti's daughter, Milan, to be here and sharing
Thank
your
you. To you.
feedback. Thank you so much for being here. Take care or chant more words and bring a lot of change in your life. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you so
bye-bye.
much for your knowledge. Bye bye.
Thank you for being. Bye-bye. Yes.